Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your battery usage on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Batteries power our favorite electronic devices, but they are not meant to last forever. You can check your battery usage on your Windows 11 and how to do it. In this video, I will show you how to do it, how to check your battery usage on your PC or laptop on Windows 11. So first, you can just open your settings by click on Start on the Windows in here. Click on Settings. From here, you can go to uh, battery or system. Let's search on the system here. Now there is an option power and battery. You can just click on that. And here you can see your battery percentage. And also here's because we want to see the battery usage. You can see there is an option battery usage. You can just tap on that. So here's your battery usage on your Windows 11. So you can select the screen on and the screen off, sleep time, and also you can see the usage on the apps like for the Google Chrome, 46% for Microsoft Edge, 22%, and also for the other apps in here. You can manage, you can check, you can monitor your battery usage in here. So that is how to check your battery usage on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!